When the cuckoo chick hatches, it wastes no time. With fierce, blind instinct, it pushes every other egg and chick out of the nest, one by one, until it alone remains. The moment the cuckoo chick hatches, something ancient awakens inside it. Without sight, without thought, it pushes relentlessly until every rival egg, every other chick, is gone, eliminated so that it alone will be fed. Deceived, robbed, and never knowing it, the foster mother feeds a stranger as if it were her own. Nature's beautiful, and nature's ruthless.